Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to learn a new rule which is about Leen letters. There are two Leen letters. One is Wow Leen, the second one is Ya Leen. Let's go with the Wow Leen first. When Wow has a Sukoon sign and the letter before it got a Fatha sign, then it will be called as Wow Leen. Look at the example. Here Wow got a Sukoon sign on the top and the letter before it is a Ba which got a Fatha sign. So it means that this part of the word got a Wow Leen rule and we have to read it softly. We will not stretch it, like without stretching, and we have to read it softly. So Bao, the next one is Tao, the next one is Yaoma. About the Ya Leen, when there is a Ya and it got a Sukoon on the top and the letter before it has a Fatha sign on it, then it is called Ya Leen. If we look at the example, here is the Ya Sakin. Ya got a Sukoon sign here and the letter before it is a Ba which got a Fatha sign. So it means that we have to read it without stretching, smooth. Bai, Tai, Baita. Let's look the example in the Quran. Here is the example of Wow Leen. In this part of the word, it's a Wow Sakin and the letter before it is a Ya which got a Fatha sign. So it means that here the Wow Leen rule is applied. So we will read it without stretching, smoothly. Wabil Yaumi, Wabil Yaumi. Look at the example of Ya Leen. Here in this word, this one is a Ya Sakin and the letter before it is a Dal and it got a Fatha sign. So it means that here Ya Sakin rule is applying and we will read it without stretching, smoothly. Wabil walidaini, Wabil walidaini. Try to practice Ya Leen and Wow Leen in the Quran, and I will see you in the new video with the new rule. Thank you.